A league is a unit of length. It was long common in Europe and Latin America, but it is no longer an official unit in any nation. The word originally meant the distance a person could walk in an hour. Since the Middle Ages, many values have been specified in several countries. Different definitions: English-speaking world, on land, the league was most commonly defined as 3 miles, though the length of a mile could vary from place to place and depending on the era. At sea, a league was 3 nautical miles. English usage also included any of the other leagues mentioned below. Ancient Rome. The league was used in ancient Rome, defined as 1.5 Roman miles. The origin is the Luga Gallica, the League of Gaul. Argentina. The Argentine League is 5.572 km or 6,666 varas, 1 vara is 0.83 am. Brazil and Portugal. In Portugal, Brazil and other parts of the Portuguese Empire, there were several units called league. La copyright Gray of 18 by degree equals 6,172.4 meters. La copyright Gray of 20 by degree equals 5,555.56 meters. La copyright Gray of 25 by degree equals 4,444.44 meters. The names of the several La copyright Guas referred to the number of units that made the length corresponding to an angle degree of a meridian arc. As a transitory measure, after Portugal adopted the metric system, the metric La copyright Gray, of 5.0 km, was used. In Brazil, La copyright Gray is still used occasionally in the country, where it has been described as about 6.6 km. France. The French lire a euro. At different times a euro existed in several variants: 10,000, 12,000, 13,200 and 14,400 French feet, about 3.25 km to about 4.68 km. It was used along with the metric system for a while but is now long discontinued. As used in Jules Verne's 20,000 Leagues Under the Sea, a league is 4 kilometers. Mexico. In Yucatan and other parts of rural Mexico, the league is still commonly used in the original sense of the distance that can be covered on foot in an hour, so that a league along a good road on level ground is a greater distance than a league on a difficult path over rough terrain. Spain. The legua or Spanish league was originally understood as equivalent to 3 millas. This varied depending on local standards for the pi and on the precision with which the measurements were being made, but was officially equivalent to 4180 meters before the legua was abolished by Philip II in 1568. It remains in unofficial use in parts of Latin America, where its exact meaning varies. Legua Nautica. Between 1400 and 1600 the Spanish Nautical League was equal to 4 Roman miles of 4,842 feet, making it 19,368 feet. That seems pretty straightforward until one realizes that the accepted number of Spanish nautical leagues to a degree varied between 14 and 1/6 to 16 and 2/3, so in actual practice the length of a Spanish nautical league was 25,733 feet to 21,874 feet respectively. Legua de Progredo. From the 15th century through the early 17th century, the Spanish League of the Degree was based on 4 Arabic miles. Although most contemporary accounts used an Arabic mile of 6,444 feet, which gave a Spanish League of the Degree of 25,776 feet, others defined an Arabic mile as just 6,000 feet, making a Spanish League of the Degree 24,000 feet. Legua Geographica or Geographica. Starting around 1630 the Spanish Geographical League was used as the official nautical measurement and continued so through the 1840s. Its use on Spanish charts did not become mandatory until 1718. It was 4 millas in length. From 1630 to 1718 a millia was 5,564 feet, making a geographical league of 4 millas to be 22,256 feet. But from 1718 through the 1830s the millia was defined as the equivalent of just over 5,210 feet, giving a shorter geographical league of just over 2,842 feet. Legua Maritima. From around 1840 through the early 20th century, a Spanish marine league equaled 18,263.52 feet, that is about 35 feet longer than our modern maritime league. In the early Hispanic settlements of New Mexico, Texas, California, and Colorado, a league was also a unit of area, defined as 25 million square varas or about 4,428.4 acres. This usage of league is referenced frequently in the Texas Constitution. So defined, a league of land would encompass a square that is one Spanish league on each side. Comparison table: a comparison of the different lengths for a league, in different countries and at different times in history, is given in the table below. Miles are also included in this list because of the linkage between the two units. Similar units: 1066.8 AMA Euro WERST. See also obsolete Russian units of measurement. See also medieval weights and measures for various definitions of the league. Li, a Chinese unit of length. Portuguese customary units, Spanish customary units, walking, references.